Oh. Yeah, he's young. What is he doing? I think he needs to build up speed.
He may have to. I've never seen anybody go up the hill with a bike. Oh, he made it.